Opening range breakout, aka ORB. It is the strategy that everyone talks about. But is it really that good? My simple answer is yes, but there is a catch. In this video, I will teach you how you can trade ORB, whether with the indicators or with the naked charts. So here we are, it's the TradingView chart, empty, beautiful, pure price section. This strategy works between 9:30 to 9:45, which is New York market open time. You will take your line and mark it 9:30, and you will take one more time and you will mark it 9:45. So this is the range that we will focus before we initiate any trades. One great thing about this strategy, it will decrease your screen time so much, and it works with the forex market, futures market, or with the crypto markets. Let's jump in. What do you see? I see a money, my friend. This is the high and this is the low of the opening range. So let's roll one more candle and voila. So this is our opening range. Okay, BORSA, what is this? So the next step is changing everything. So now I want to show you my mirror chart here. The secret sauce of ORB. To initiate a position, you need to understand the liquidity. Liquidity is where we will use as a take profit levels. What liquidity levels we are looking for, BORSA? The London low, right? Easy. London low, Asia low, 8:30, previous day low, 4-hour low, 1-hour low. So you got my point. Without these levels, we are basically nothing. So you can even target the previous week low or high, whatever it is. Asia high, London high, previous day high. You got my point. So this is a very critical point. Let's go back to chart, and now what we need to do is to zoom out. So either you want to zoom out or you can just simply go to higher time frames, because the higher time frames is your best friend before took any position. So what do you see here? I see a beautiful high here, right? And I see a beautiful low here. So these are the buy sides or the sell sides, you can say, or like the internal liquidity level, external liquidity, whatever you want to call it. But these are the targets. The first thing you want to do is wait for market to break out either its direction and check if you have a target or not. So here it is. We got this, right? We will now mark out the closest liquidity level, so we know when we're gonna take partial, we know when we're gonna take the full TP. Let's go one more higher time frame, which is a 15 minutes. So I am trading on 1 minute and checking the liquidity levels on the 5, 15, 1 hour, and even I can go to 4 hours to understand what the market is doing, to understand what market is wanna tell me. We have a huge gap here and we are trading below it, and we have filled that gap. It's looking bullish. If you look onto my chart, look at this 4-hour candles. It's nearly rejecting every time it touches the 410-ish level. After we understand the market direction, we will go back to 1 minute, and now the time is 9:45. We are waiting for a breakout because we are ready to trade, my friend. And now what I want you to do now is execute a buy position. That's it. Very easy. Let's say you go for 5 contracts here, just a demonstration, right? So what do you want to do? The stop loss. You can use this candle low. You can use the middle of the opening range. If the price goes below it, you are out of the position. How you can do? Very simple. You will take your Fibonacci tool here and you will take it high and low. You will put your stop loss just a little under of it. So your stop is safe now. If the market wanna give you the short side of the market, you will understand if it goes below the 0.5, which is the equilibrium point of the current opening range. So now, right, we are seeing the levels here. We are seeing a beautiful levels, and we have marked the Fibonacci. We can use these levels as a take profit also. Yes, you can expect some chop around it, you can expect a slow market, but these are the targets. So we will see now. Let's confirm our position and we are writing it. I want to take a partial after what? The price reached the 2 fib and we have the target here, which is a 689. So let's see if we touch it. Yes, as you can see that now we are sitting on 300 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. It is a lot money. So what you can do is just took off a 3 contracts here, right? You will put your stop at the break even. Now you will write this trade until when? You will zoom out and see the nearest liquidity levels. You can keep riding this beast over here and you can see that it's going up. And if you see any bearish kind of activity, you can just close out your position. It's a 400 ticks now. It's a record breaking. I'm not cherry picking, by the way. This is a 5th of November and today is the 6th of November. I'm just trading on the day before that I'm shooting this video. So let's zoom out a little and see what's going on here. We have this candle high, we have this candle high, and we have this equal high. This is a very far from at the current point, which is 100 points away. But anything can happen in this market, and as you can see that we are now trading at 800 ticks. It's crazy. What I suggest is take one more partial and trail your stop while the market moves. This is it. And the full TP comes at these highs. And this is how you trade. Let's roll the market if we get full TP or not. And boom, it's what come very close, but it rejected back. But you got my point. It is extremely simple to use and it is highly achievable win rates in this trading strategy. Now, I know you guys like indicators. I want to introduce you 2 indicators that you can use while you're trading opening range breakout. To use that, go to indicators tab and search for ORB. The first indicator is the ORB with price targets from the get that cash. Click at your chart. How does indicator work? Let's go to 1 minute time frame. This indicator, reset the chart. So this indicator basically very self-explanatory. You can see that it's marking out automatically ORB 15 high and ORB 15 low. You don't have to do anything. And after that, it will mark out 2 take profit levels, which you can use, right? So this is our first indicator and the settings is basically a default settings. You can create an alert when ORB breakouts happen. It's very useful. You can change the time. It is very self-explanatory, straightforward indicator. So the second indicator is go to indicators tab again and type in ORB. You will see opening range with breakouts and targets from LuxAlgo. Click at your chart and let's hide this. So basically, all of the indicators doing nearly the same thing. It's marking out the opening range high, opening range low, and it is putting a take profit levels automatically for you. So it's simplifying the process, but you can either go with the naked chart. It's very simple to use, or you can just use the indicators however you feel comfortable with it. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.